Netgear popular ProSafe unmanaged desktop switches, known for their reliability and performance, provide your network with plug-and-play connectivity. Now, Netgear extends their leadership position, offering network configuration and monitoring features on the new and innovative platform, the ProSafe Plus switches, providing users with greater control over their network. And the switch comes in a more energy-efficient package. With ever more bandwidth-consuming applications on business and home networks, it's necessary to have the ability to configure the network to your needs. The ability to separate the network between critical and non-critical traffic. The ability to securely isolate business traffic and guarantee critical applications get the resources they need. Unmanaged switches give you the connectivity without limitations or restrictions, a way where all traffic and information is easily accessible. A VLAN, or a virtual LAN, allows you to separate traffic by creating a virtual network. Each network separates a large office network into smaller, more manageable groups of computers. This allows for custom security and resource allocation for each VLAN group. VLANs provide the flexibility to adapt to changes in network requirements and allow for simplified administration. A busy network with heavy traffic from video streaming, VoIP calls, file transfers, and web surfing is equivalent to the rush hours on the roads. Network traffic exceeds network bandwidth and data is jammed or even dropped. Something has to give. With the ProSafe quality of service and bandwidth limit controls offered on these ProSafe Plus switches, you can ensure that your most critical applications always get the bandwidth they need, and the non-critical, resource-hungry processes will only proceed after the critical data get delivered first. The ability to view and monitor traffic for troubleshooting, testing, and monitoring the network. This requires hub-like functionality called port mirroring. The Netgear ProSafe Plus switches allow you to turn port mirroring on every port, creating a hub-like environment. The Netgear ProSafe Plus switches offer radically lower power consumption over equivalent unmanaged switches in the marketplace. They can automatically power down any unconnected ports and detect the length of the cables attached to each port. The shorter the cable, the less power required to transmit data. ProSafe switches are housed in a compact, sturdy metal case with no noisy fan, allowing for years of quiet, dependable service. In fact, all ProSafe products come with a lifetime warranty, so you can be assured your controller will last as long as you need it. When you want to have more control for your growing business, essential network configuration capability such as VLAN and quality of service, plus lower energy costs, Netgear ProSafe Plus switches is the right answer for you. It provides you with the right upgrade path from your current unmanaged switches and prepares you with simple yet essential features for your evolving network needs. Netgear. Connect with innovation.